Okay, gang, I went ahead and turned the water off to that toilet downstairs, went and looked at the meter. There was still flow, so I know I still have something else going in the house. So I went upstairs to look at the other toilets. There's 4 bathrooms in this house. And I found in the master bathroom, there is... The water level is too high and it's constantly leaking. Basically, it's what I'm going to call the drain stand, just for simplicity. But so we want to get them to lower the water level. So we need to go ahead and document this in the app with instructions so that they know how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to add a room. Oh, let's go ahead and name that room. We're going to call it the bathroom in the master bedroom. Okay. I'm going to add an item. That item is a toilet. Our condition is it needs to be adjusted is all. The technology is a 1.6 gallon per flush tank toilet. Our notes are that we have a constant flow. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to take a couple. Okay. Do that, and then I'm going to take one more. I'm going to zoom in on that. Okay, so first I'm going to say too high, overflowing to drain pipe. Okay, so I'm going to annotate that so that we don't, oops, let's go red. Save and close, okay. So what we want to do now is give them instructions. Oh, sorry. So I'm going to say turn knob to left to lower water level to 1, let's say ½ inch below drain pipe rim. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and annotate that, and we're going to put an arrow in there so they know exactly what needs to happen. And we should be good. So we know that was the leak. We're assuming it's about ½ gallon a minute. I'm going to go check the meter and make sure. And their leak type is a high water level. So boom, we barely had to type it all. All that information is going to be stored in the database. So at the end of the season, you'll know out of all 90 defective toilets you had, how many of them had a high water level and how many of them had a defective flapper, etc., etc. Plus we have the leak information that we wanted right here. And what we're going to do is go back and adjust that other leak. But one other thing you could do, maybe you rebate toilets for 0.8 gallons per flush. We don't want to forget that, so we're going to go ahead and select eligible for rebate. Not only is that going to download in the database, but it's also going to remind you to tell them about the rebates. Alright, so I think we're done inside. I'm going to look around a little bit more, and then we're going to head out to the irrigation system.